You. Can you pass me the salt? I am going to the store. 2. She went to the park. The cat is sleeping. And I like tea and coffee. That. Is that your book? Of. The color of the sky is blue. Me. He gave me a present. In. We live in a small town. This is my favorite song. 4. I bought a gift for my sister. No, I haven't seen him today. Have. Do you have a pencil? This is my house. I just saw him at the mall. Not. She is not coming to the party. Do. What do you want to eat? B. I want to be a doctor. On. The keys are on the table. Your. Is this your car? Was. It was a sunny day. We are going on a trip. With. I like to swim with my friends. But. I like coffee, but I also enjoy tea. All students must attend the meeting. Well, I hope you feel well soon. He is my best friend. About. Tell me more about your trip. Right. Turn right at the next intersection. Get. Can you get me a glass of water? Here. I'll meet you here at 3 p.m. Out. Let's go out for dinner. If it rains, we'll stay indoors. Her. I gave her a book for her birthday. She is a talented singer. Can you pass me the salt, please? Up. The sun is coming up. Want. I want to learn how to play the guitar. Now. I can't talk right now. Go. Let's go to the beach. Him. I haven't seen him in ages. There. Look, there's a rainbow. 1. Can I have one cookie, please? Why? Why are you crying? See. I can see the mountains from my window. Come to the party with us. Good. That was a good movie. They are my neighbors. Really? Do you really think so? When will you be back? Back. I'll be back in a minute. From. I got a postcard from my friend. We were at the beach yesterday. Yes, I would like some coffee. His. I met his sister yesterday. Or. Do you want tea or coffee? Who is that person? Because. I'm studying because I have an exam tomorrow. Some. I'll have some chocolate, please. Then. We'll go to the park, and then we'll have lunch. Say. Can you please say that again? Anne. I would like an apple. Way. The shortcut is a faster way to the station. Us. Can you save a seat for us? Little. My niece is a little shy. Never. I never thought about it that way. 2. It's too hot outside. Sure. Are you sure about your decision? More. I want more ice cream. Over. The bird flew over the house. Our. This is our family photo. Sorry. I'm sorry for the mistake. Where did you find your keys? Let me know if you need help. Maybe we can go to the movies later. Down. The sun is going down. Man. That man is my neighbor. Very. It's a very nice day today. Bye. I'll pick you up by the entrance. Anything. I don't have anything to wear. Much. How much does it cost? Any. Do you have any siblings? Life. Life is full of surprises. Even. I can't believe he didn't even say goodbye. Off. Please turn off the lights. Please. Can you please pass the salt? Thank you for your help. Only. The store is open only on weekends. Help. Can you help me with my homework? 2. I have 2 brothers. Talk. Let's sit and talk for a while. People. People are waiting for the bus. God. Thank God it stopped raining. Still. I'm still waiting for his call. Wait. Can you wait for a moment? Into. We walked into the dark cave. Find. I need to find my keys. Again. Let's do it again. Thing. What's that thing over there? Call. I'll call you later. Told. She told me a funny story. Great. That was a great movie. Before. I saw him before the meeting. Better. I hope you feel better soon. Ever. Have you ever been to Paris? Night. The stars are shining bright tonight. Than. This book is better than the last one. Away. Please keep the kids away from the pool. First. It's my first time on an airplane. Believe. I find it hard to believe. Fine. I'm feeling fine, thank you. Home. Let's go home now. After. We'll have dinner after the movie. Last. I saw her last week. These. These are my favorite shoes. Put. Can you put the dishes in the sink? Around. We walked around the park. Stop. Please stop talking during the movie. Long. It's been a long day. Always. I always brush my teeth before bed. Listen. Can you listen to what I have to say? Those. Those are my keys. Big. That's a big elephant. Lot. I have a lot of homework to do. Kind. She is a kind person. Wrong. I think you're on the wrong bus. Through. We walked through the forest. New. I got a new phone yesterday. Guess. Can you guess what's in the box? Care. I care about your well-being. Bad. It's not as bad as it seems. Mom. My mom is a great cook. Remember. I can't remember where I put my keys. Together. Let's work on this project together. Dad. My dad is a teacher. Leave. Don't leave without saying goodbye. Mother. Mother knows best. Place. This is a nice place to visit. Understand. I don't understand the instructions. Actually. I didn't actually see what happened. Hear. Can you hear the music playing? Baby. The baby is sleeping peacefully. Nice. That was a nice gesture. Father. My father is an architect. Else. Is there anything else I can help you with? Stay. I'll stay here until you come back. There. That's their car parked outside. Course. I'm taking a photography course. Might. It might rain later. Mind. Do you mind if I borrow your pen? Every. I go to the gym every day. Enough. Is this cake sweet enough for you? Try. You should try the new restaurant. Hell. What the hell is going on here? Came. She came to the party with her friends. Someone. Someone is at the door. Own. I have my own car. Family. Family is important to me. Whole. I ate the whole pizza by myself. Another. Can I have another piece of cake? House. The house is painted blue. Yourself. Take care of yourself. Idea. I have no idea what to do. Ask. Can I ask you a question? Best. This is the best day ever. Must. You must finish your homework. Old. That's a very old book. Woman. The woman in the red dress is my aunt. Hello. Say hello to your brother for me. Which color do you prefer? Room. The room is bright and spacious. Money. I need to save money for a trip. Left. He left his keys at home. Tonight. Let's have dinner together tonight. Real. Is this real gold? Son. My son is studying in college. Hope. I hope you have a great day. Name. What's your name? Same. We have the same taste in music. Happy. I'm happy to see you. Pretty. She looked very pretty in that dress. Girl. The girl in the red hat is my sister. Sir. Excuse me, sir, can I ask you a question? Show. The magician will show his tricks. Already. I've already finished my homework. May I use your phone? Next. The next bus will arrive in 10 minutes. 3. I have 3 cats as pets. Found. I found my lost keys. World. There's a whole world to explore. Honey. Can you pass me the honey, please? Myself. I bought the tickets myself. Exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking. Probably. It will probably rain tomorrow. Hurt. Be careful not to hurt yourself. Both. We can both go together. While. I'll wait for you for a while. Dead. The battery is dead. Alone. I prefer to be alone sometimes.